Hey you guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do the crayon boxes in Publisher. This is a template that I made. I will post the template link in the description. We're going to be making ones with Rugrats theme, the African American Rugrats. We're actually theming this one after Kimmy, coloring with Kimmy, and I'm going to show you how to get this look. So the first thing we're going to do is, I have some blank templates here. I already have made the backgrounds, the colors that I want. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Insert, sorry y'all, my computer is moving a little slow. So we're going to choose our image. Actually, excuse me, y'all. Okay, now we're going to go back and we're going to go ahead and insert Kimmy. Now I'm going to make sure she is the same size as this one. Okay. I have resized her. Make sure they're the same. Okay, now I'm going to rotate her here. Excuse me. I'm gonna make this as long, match this up with the sides, and then I'm gonna center it. And for the font, y'all, I'm just gonna copy and paste it. I'm actually just gonna show y'all how to do this one, because you pretty much should get the gist of it. And the font I used, I got it from Duff Font. I'll put that link in the description. Scroll down some. Okay, so we can make sure that this one is evened up right there towards the end. And we're gonna bring Kimmy in some more. I'm gonna turn her a little more too. Okay. We're gonna bring her over just a little bit more. There we go. And then what I'm going to do is this, where the longest panels are, the flaps, this is the flaps that actually folds back into the box once it's put together. This is the front of the box, this is the back of the box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, everything. I'm going to go to format, and you're going to go to drawing tools format, and I'm going to click no outline. Okay, but I'm going to go back to this one. I'm going to add the outline back. I didn't mean to remove that. Gonna click it and go to format and go to outline, and the outline is white. Oh man, you guys know. Oh, I did that right. I'm sorry, y'all. I thought I messed up. Okay, and that's pretty much how you get that. If you see these little white spots in between, you just click and you just drag it down to line up like that. Okay, and there you go. That's how you design the crayon box. And thank you for watching. I'm actually going to make another video on how to assemble them.